So as some of you may know, I recently switched from my iPhone 15 Pro to a Galaxy Z Fold 6. And one thing that I kind of missed was having a watch. So I recently bought the Galaxy Watch 6. Not the classic, just the base version, just to see what it's like. I was thinking about getting the 7, but I felt like it would be a good experiment to get the previous model to see how well the software would age on a watch a year old. So I got it for a pretty good price on Amazon for about $190. A gift card I came down to $130. While it may not be the most recent one, I felt like buying the last generation one was a good indication to see how well the software would age on a watch. And I have some thoughts. Some are good, some are bad. Why don't we just get into it? Let's start off with what I like about the watch. I like that it looks very elegant and sleek. It's actually round like a watch should be, unlike the Apple Watch, which is square. The screen looks good. It's an OLED, it has always on display, which is great. I like that on the YouTube Music app, I can download music for offline listening while I'm away from my phone. That is something I couldn't do on my Apple Watch Series 7. One neat thing that I like about the watch is that I can actually charge it with my phone. So if I were to go traveling, all I need to bring is just one USB Type-C cable that can charge my phone. And at night, I can just put the watch right on the phone so it can charge the watch while the phone is charging. And one little neat thing about the Z Fold 6 is that I can even use the front screen while my watch is charging on the other side. Another thing I like about the watch is the battery life. So about 2 weeks ago, I went to New York Comic Con and I took the watch off the charger around 9 o'clock at night to track my sleep. And then in the morning, I went to Comic Con, I tracked my steps, and I ended up coming back home at around 9 o'clock and the battery was still at 44%. So you can pretty much get about a day and a half out of the battery, which is great. Had it been my Apple Watch, it would have been dead by 9 o'clock. As a matter of fact, it might have been dead before. You can definitely get about two nights of sleep tracking in one whole day on the watch. One thing I like to mention is I usually don't buy my devices in white, and with this, well, the black one wasn't available, so I had to get the white one. And I'm honestly glad I did. I'm really liking the look of this watch. So when I got it, the setup process was very easy. It came with the watch, the band, the charger, no charging brick. But that's fine. Nothing comes with a charging brick nowadays. The setup was pretty easy. You just follow the steps and yeah, it'll just set up for you. It'll even download the apps that are already on your phone on the watch. Now the watch isn't perfect. There are a couple of things that I don't like about the watch. For starters, there's a whole button that I just can't use. Well, I can use, but I just don't need. So on the watch, there are 2 buttons. So there are 2 buttons on the watch. The bottom one is to go back and the top one is to go home. And you can kind of customize what they do. Now I wish there was a digital crown like on the Apple Watch. Using the digital crown on it was very satisfying, and there is Samsung's own version of that where you can slide your finger around the screen to scroll, and it's not better. I know on the Classic there's an actual dial that you can just move around physically, which would probably be a better solution, but the digital scrolling is not that great. The other thing is sometimes the UI can get a little laggy. Not sure why that is, but it's definitely not as smooth as it is on an Apple Watch. The last thing I wanted to mention is that on my Apple Watch, there was a feature called Smart Lock where if I unlocked my phone, it would also unlock my watch. On the Galaxy Watch, there's no such thing. Every time you put it on, you have to unlock it. It's not bad because you only have to do it once a day, but it's just one of those nice little features that Apple has that makes it feel like magic. And I wish Samsung would come up with their own solution for putting in your own passcode or pass symbol every time you unlock the phone. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 6. If you have any comments or any questions, leave them below. If you like the video, subscribe, give it a like, and thanks for watching.